What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock all the available features on your Lexus for just $40 with this little thing right here. Well, it'll cost you a little bit more, but we'll talk about it later. All right, guys, let's make it happen. All right, so the name is Carista, and that's the box that it came in, and this is what it looks like. It's a little OBD2 port, so all you have to do is connect it to your car, and then you can use the app on your phone to unlock all the features. Now, there are a few things that we have to address before we go further with this video. If you have any Lexus from 2012 or older, this may not work. It'll check the check engine light and stuff like that, but it will not unlock all the features. That's why I'm gonna use the TX for this video because it's a newer car. So if you have any Lexus from 2013 and up, this will work great for all the features that you want to unlock. And since this is a 2022 model year, I'm about to use the TX instead of the IS. Now, to use it, what you gonna do is connect it to your car so you can use the app on your phone. All right, now that we connect the OBD2 to the car, we just kind of start it up. And we gonna click on the app, and load it up, and we're gonna connect it to the car. Now it's a little slow because this one I have here is kind of slow, but they have a faster version for $70, so I just chose to buy this one. By the way, I have the link for you guys. Now, the device itself is $40, but you do have to pay to use it. Now, there's free stuff in here, but to get everything, like to unlock all the features, you have to pay a monthly fee. Now, there's three ways you can pay how it did. It has a 1 month plan for $9.99, a 3-month plan for $19.99, and there's a 12-month plan for $49.99. Now, since I'm not gonna use this all the time, I just bought the 1 month plan, which is $9.99. So now that we on, let's go on customize, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna take a while. I'm just gonna let it upload and come back to you guys. Oh, well, maybe it's working a little bit faster that time. Now, as you can see, it's super slow. Like I said, there's a faster version. It'll cost $70. If you want to buy that one, you can as well. All right, finally we are on. You got dings and warnings for seatbelt. I'm not gonna disable that. And you got the passenger one is the same thing, and you got ding when key is left in the car, I'll leave that alone. And remote low battery warning, again, I'll just leave that on. You got driver assist. This is all your safety stuff like pre-collision. I don't want to mess with those. You got heater and AC and all. This is fine. And you got displays and nav, and all these are fine to show me. There's a lot here. You got lights like automatic headlights. It's a normal and exterior lights, and like daytime warning light. If you want to turn this off, you can. You got interior lights. Again, I'm not gonna mess with any of those. You got locking automatically, and this is fine by me as well. And you got doors and alarms. I mean, this is fine as well. Smart key, and these I'm not gonna touch. And mirrors, this one is fine as well. And you got seat and steering wheel, the trunk. There's a lot you can do. Windows and sunroof. Like, you see how, let's see, it's a hot day, you wanna turn all the windows down while you approaching the car. You can do this as well. I know some cars they have it, but you have to go to Lexus for them to turn that on for you. But it's all already on here, so I'm not even kind of mess with them. And then you go to orders. This one I'll skip. Let's go to service and see what's there. And I hope it goes fast, because this thing is slow. You got tire pressure. If you click on it, like, let's see, if you have a bad sensor, you can replace it and just activate it by yourself. You can go and have them install the TPMS sensor for you, but you don't have to pay them to activate it, because you can do it right here. And if you go back, APS, I'm not going to mess with those. ECU, I mean, there's a lot of stuff you can do. Now you can go to diagnose, but I'm just, it's technically when no car, there's nothing wrong with it, so I'm not gonna click on that. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. You do not have to go to the dealer and have turn those things on for you and pay them money. Like I said, has the monthly fee, but you can pay just for one time $9.99, and there's free stuff on here as well. All right guys, that is it for today's video, and I have the link for you guys as well. And I hope you guys have a good night, good day, good afternoon, and I will see you guys in the next one.